2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front wheel drive, power door locks, MP3 player, trip computer, CD player, bucket seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.